Hello. Today I will introduce one to you. Xerox's semi-production color copier. PermLink C9070. This one is an upgrade of C60 and C70. And the resolution is 2400 x 2400. It comes in two models. One is C9070. There is also a C9065. There is a difference in speed between the two. The latter black and white speed is 70 ppm. The printing speed of color is 65 ppm. The C9070 prints black and white at 75 ppm. The printing speed of color is 70 ppm. It has a major upgrade over the C60. The C9070 bypass can print 350 grams of paper, copperboard paper. C60 can only print 300 grams. So when your demand is not high, you can use this copier to print 350 grams of coated paper. What are the usage scenarios of this photocopier? It can be used as an entry-level model for small and medium-sized copy shops. For example, for printing 250 grams of inner pages, several cartons are provided. Can print 250 grams of coated paper. Because of its character color effect is very good, so it serves as an entry-level copier for small copy shops. It's a better choice. How can you tell if a Seconto hand copy is in good condition? And we can look at this in three ways. On one hand, look at the mileage of the copier. The copier printed 110,000 in color, 57,000 printed in black and white. So it only took 170,000 a month. This copier normally 50,000 to 80,000 prints per month. So based on this data, you can tell that the photocopier was used for 2 to 3 months. So the copier itself is in pretty good shape. The wear of all its components is very small. Secondly, let's look inside. The actual state of the machine itself. All photocopier parts, including small parts, all replaced with original accessories. The wear and tear of the machine, including its foam, is very small. Such as carriers, transfer belts, drums, and so on, and other accessories that are not good enough, have been replaced, and the replacements are all original accessories. Next, let's take a look at its printing results. If you would like more information, please feel free to contact us.